Rahul, what is this? Shrieked Mrs. Acharya furiously. Every single sum is wrong, and what atrocious handwriting! What were you thinking of while doing this? She handed the open notebook out to him, and poor Rahul stared in honor at the illegible scrawl with ink bolts all over. The writing was crossed out and overwritten in places and spilled over from the page boundaries to the margin of the facing page. Remembering that his maths teacher was a stickler for neatness, Rahul cringed. As a punishment for your sloppy work, you will miss your games period today, Rahul declared Mrs. Acharya. During that time, you will sit in the class and work out each sum neatly, not once, but twice, and show me your work before going to home. So, students, Rahul, what's this? In a very angry mood, Mrs. Acharya asked, every single sum is wrong. And what atrocious means extremely bad handwriting. What you are thinking while doing this? Mrs. Acharya handed the notebook again to Rahul and said, as a punishment for your careless work, you will miss your games period today, and twicely you will write this homework before going to home. I didn't know how to do those sums, master, said Abdullah. We haven't been taught this kind of arithmetic in Genie school. I wanted to tell you that, but you went away before I could speak. So I just did the sums as best as I could. Rahul could only stare at him in speechless dismay. Just then he remembered something that morning. Mummy had given him an ultimatum. If he had not cleaned up his room before evening, a task he had been postponing for months, she would stop his pocket money for a fortnight. He now decided to give Abdullah another chance. Okay, clean up my room, he ordered. Keep everything in its proper place. Mummy will be around in an hour's time to check. Very well, master, said Abdullah. Rahul then went off to play. Returning an hour later, he urged Mummy into his room, confident once again that it wouldn't be in mass. When Rahul returned home, he demanded for explanation from Abdullah about homework. Genie said, in our Genie land, we haven't been taught this kind of arithmetic. I don't know how to do the sums. Speechless, Rahul stared at him. Rahul again remembered that his mummy had given him a task, and the task was to clean up the room. And if he will not clean the room, his mother would stop his pocket money for a fortnight. Fortnight means a period of 2 weeks. Now Rahul decided to give another chance to Abdullah. He ordered to keep all the things in a proper place and said, Mummy will come around an hour's time to check. Abdullah said, okay sir, I shall obey. But the next moment he was left gaping at the utter disorder in the room. Is this some kind of joke? Demanded Mama. Outragged, books and toys on the bed, pillows on the floor, clothes on the table. What is this? What is in your cupboard? She strode up to the cupboard and threw the door open. The next moment she jumped back as large frog leaped out at her. Rahul gulped. This was a disaster indeed. The frog was his pet, which he had kept in a carefully hidden bottle. Why, oh, why had Abdullah released it?